This is a 4L60E, 4L65E, and a 700R4 input drum. Okay, and I want to give you a tip on what you should do with this drum. If you see this type of a problem that I'm about to show you. On this input drum, the reverse clutches fit in the splines on the drum. And sometimes what they do is gouge out this part of the drum. Okay, you'll see some worse than others. But if you look here, you can see the get something to point here. You can see the marks right here, right there. Some are deeper than others, very bad. Well, you got two options here. If you get a drum where this is very bad, these gouges are very bad, you want to not use that drum, because these clutches here, with these reverse clutches, have to move freely. Okay, up and down freely. And if it's too deep of a gouge, they can get stuck and not move the way they're supposed to. You know, get stuck inside of the gouge. So you want that to be smooth. Okay. So now what you want to do is buy you another one, or get you a good used one, or you repair it. Okay, now the way you repair this is you can take a grinding wheel, and I've done some here, right here. Where are the bad ones here? You see right here. And you're going to take the grinding wheel, and you're going to smooth this out, but you don't want the dip to be there. You're going to take it down a bit. Just like that. Okay, only got a few more. right, so now you get all of those gouges out. Now, when you do this, you don't want to just go directly in the middle of the part that's already lower than the other part of the metal. If you're trying, okay, the other part of the metal, this part would be lower. It would be almost like a U, okay, right here. So you want to bring this down a bit and kind of let it angled up a bit where this steel will be smooth, very smooth, okay, very smooth. You don't want this to have a dip in it right here, which means you're going to have to grind a little of this down and make it blend in with the high part here. So it'll be going down a little and at an angle just a bit, okay? So you got to know how you're doing that. Now, the reason you can do that, because this is thick enough to where the reverse clutch will still grab on here. But you don't have to worry about it catching on the notches that it has made, okay? You know, catching on the notches, and then to go down and apply easily, okay? Okay, so you have enough where you can fix this. See how it looks? So let me show you one that's bad. Okay, here's one. It's not really bad, but there's some worse than this. Here are these marks right in here. These gouges here. There's some that's really, really bad. So that's what you repaired on here. You see the marks are not there anymore. Okay? So you want to do that with this drum. Okay? So that you don't have any issues with the clutch sticking or binding up as it's doing what it's supposed to do. All right?